Hello everyone, I'm Shannon Cantner and you're watching CMSD in 60, bringing you some of the top headlines happening all across the district this week in just 60 seconds or so. It's a busy week. Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. All facilities are closed, but there are special events and activities happening all across Cleveland, including free admission at many museums and a free community open house at Severance Hall. Monday is also the monthly Teach Cleveland application deadline. CMSD is looking for outstanding educators who believe every student can achieve at the highest academic level. Find out more by visiting teachcleveland.org. Students at year-round schools return from winter break and begin classes on Tuesday the 16th. Welcome back. Ever dreamed of flying an airplane or being the captain of a ship? Davis Aerospace and Maritime High School is hosting an open house on Wednesday where you can learn about those opportunities and more. That's happening from 5 to 7 p.m. The school is located at 1440 Lakeside Avenue. Davis A&M is just one of the many high-quality options available to students. 8th graders will be learning more about CMSD's high schools at the upcoming high school choice fairs beginning next week on January 23rd. You can also learn more about all of the district schools by visiting the 2018-2019 Choice Portal online at choosecmsd.org. Students and families can explore every K-8 and high school option with interactive maps and academic data and videos about the schools. You can log in and make a choice, as simple as that. And by making a choice online, it helps ensure students are placed in their preferred school. So don't delay. The Choice Portal closes on March 9th. If you're a parent or caregiver who wants to learn more about college and even earn college credit, free college classes begin again for CMSD parents on Thursday. The Office of Family and Community Engagement, or FACE, is offering the courses in partnership with Tri-C. Parents can call 216-838-0331 to find out more or visit clevelandmetroschools.org/FACE. Friday is a professional development day for kindergarten teachers, and there are no classes for kindergarten students. That's all the time we have. Thanks so much for tuning in. And for more in-depth news stories, you can always visit the CMSD News Bureau website at clevelandmetroschools.org/news. We'll see you next week.